Hello, I'm Luc Bouchard, and this is today's Forgiveness Declaration, Card Draw, and Reduction. I forgive myself for believing that I am a body. Okay, so here's what I wrote, or what I copied. Anyone else struggling with this illusion? You see the flesh or recognize the spirit. There is no compromise between the two. If one is real, then the other must be false, for what is real denies its opposite. There is no choice in vision but this one. What you decide in this determines all you see and think is real and hold as true. On this one choice does all your world depend, for here have you established what you are, as flesh or as spirit in your own belief. If you choose flesh, then you will never escape the body as your own reality, for you have chosen that you want it so. But if you choose spirit, then all heaven bends to your touch, or bends to touch your eyes and bless your holy sight, that you may see the world of flesh no more, except to heal and to comfort and to bless. So this is another declaration and a concept with the Course in Miracles that I just have to suspend disbelief and just go, okay, if you say so, because I see a lot of body. I see a lot of meat sacks, as my friend Ron would say. And I just know that intellectually I get it, but to really believe that I'm just a body, I don't think so. So, but I think the point here is that what do you identify with? What are you seeing? And are you trying to see it differently? Are you entrenched in the belief that basically we are a body? And I think the Course in Miracles is just wanting us to actually see past that and understand that the body is not something we're born into, but is a manifestation of our belief system, and it serves our purpose, and it serves our, if we're sick, it serves our belief in sickness. If we are in abundance, it serves our belief in abundance. It's really about how we see the world, but this is not a concept that comes easy to me. Now this image. This is, if you haven't met my skeleton Phil, this is Phil, and Phil is short for philosophy, and I took this, many years ago when I was trying to grow something in my back flower bed, and I dug everything up, rototilled it, and I thought, good opportunity for a picture of Phil here. Now the other image I have with Phil is that Phil and I have shot many videos together, and here is an image of we in the studio, my green screen in my studio, and there he is, being a great subject matter, so I could take this picture. Anyway, I digress. If you are struggling with believing that you're a body, then the best thing that I can suggest is that you give it over to the Holy Spirit and ask to see it differently, and ask to join and connect with God. And just know that we are more than this mortal coil. We are a lot more. And until we start thinking that we're more than that, then we're going to be subject and we're going to be held hostage by it. Literally. I'm Luc Bouchard. Thanks for watching this video, and until another declaration.